Hey, good evening or good night. Looking here at the Sunday night futures. Make sure I got all my sound here working fine. Where's my speaker? Got my speaker. All right, good. We're good. So let's take a look at the futures. They just opened up about 5 minutes ago. We got the 10-year up 2 bips to 3.85. Let's take a look at the dollar. Dollar 106.75. It's not giving me up or down. Let me see if in the active trader it shows you what it did. So it gapped up to 106.74. We closed at 106.40, more or less. Bitcoin down 170 to 1580. Oil down 11 cents. S&Ps got down to about low 39.7950. Uh, we're down 12 about 0.31, soon to be a quarter of a percent. Gold down 3, copper up 1. The hogs and meats are closed. Small caps down 6. Nasdaq down 54. Dow Jones down 75. Palladium and platinum flat. Natural gas up 21. Silver flat. VIX up a quarter. Grains closed. And interest rates are up, means that the bonds are down. What do we have on tap this week on the calendar? Market Watch, calendar. So you go to Market Watch, you go to calendar tab. And not earnings, we can go to economic events. Let's see why it's doing this. Why are you doing this to me? Not showing anything. Show all. I think because it's looking at my positions. I don't want it to look at my positions. I want it to be in general. Maybe here. A clear filter. All right. Sorry about that, guys. So you learned something with me. All right. So we're looking for economic calendar. Um, so the 14th is Monday. Let's see. GDP, retail sales, the pretty bigger ones. That's it. Let's see right here. And we already got CPI. I don't see nothing big. We'll take a look and see if we have earnings. PPI, EIA, Housing Market Index, retail sales, probably retail sales, housing starts, mortgage applications, some op, um, auctions for treasuries, jobless claims, retail sales. Nothing really on top. Earnings wise, let me go over here to see what our friend here sometimes does a little calendar earning whispers. Let's see if he did a calendar. If not, I can go check. And he did one. For this week, Monday before the bell, we have Tyson Foods, Sundial, Monday.com, Tower Semiconductor, Clear, Euroseas, New after close, Exela, Ammo, Does Bullets, D Local, Tough Built, AST, Space Mobile. Nothing really big. Big one on. So we do have retailers this week. This is a big week because this will tell how the consumer's doing. So we do have so we do have a big earnings week. We have Walmart before they open, Tuesday. Home Depot, Krispy Kreme for those that like donuts, Energizer Bunny batteries, Advanced Auto, Lowe's, Target, TJX, big retail. Kohl's, Macy, Alabama, BJ's, Foot Locker, Buckle. Yeah, so we got a lot of retail names. A couple of big names in the tech sector: Nvidia, Cisco, another retail, Bath and Body Works, uh, Ross, Gap, Applied Materials, and Palo Alto, big tech. So we have some decent companies reporting, decent sized companies reporting this week. So I'm sure I'll be doing videos on some of this stuff. Um, and that's what we got for the week ahead. Let's go back to the futures. Take a look here. What we got. Let's take a look at the micros. Small caps down 1878, down almost 0.5%. Bitcoin down 200, 15,840. S&P down 39.85, down 3.9%, almost 4. Gold pretty flat. Nasdaq 1783, down 5%. Dow Jones down 100 almost. So natural gas is up. Oil turned up green now. We're green on the oil. I like the energy sector. VIX is a little green, and the bonds are selling off. Interest rates are going higher, and the dollar was higher. Um, I don't need to do anything with the futures. Like I said, I'm a little long deltas in the portfolio. I got about 100 deltas. Um, Deltas is what you beta weight against a SPY, and you look and you count. You see deltas here. So my biggest deltas are Microsoft, Meta. This is Warner Brothers, United Healthcare, Merck, Cigna, which I just did trades. Those are my biggest deltas. So 100 deltas is 100 shares of stock, basically. So I basically own 11. If you look at it hypothetically, I own 11 shares of Microsoft through this um, through this deal. That's my exposure um, on that trade. And my biggest short would be the Qs, the SPY, and these are like to balance out the portfolio. Boeing, Yeti, uh, IWM, Royal Caribbean, Oracle. But for the most part, most of my trades are delta neutral. Not most of my trades. Let me. Yeah, they are, because a lot of them are just $1 wide spreads, more or less. You can see there. You see the spreads. So I'm long 78 deltas here. That's on one portfolio. So that's how you look at it. So if you have 100 deltas, um, you're basically long like 100 spies. And if you wanted to hedge your portfolio, all you would need to do, for example, is um, each of these is about 50 delta, so you would sell two, and you'd be flat in the portfolio. Your portfolio would be flat. Hope that teaches you something on how to beta weight the portfolio. Um, it's pretty simple. It's very important to do that, because the main thing as an option setter is you want theta working for you, which I don't even have a column here, which I can add. Can go up here and just add it, theta, and add it. And I have, oh, actually, I have to come up here. Did it add it to this one? Did it add it here? Why didn't it add it here? Don't know why it's not adding it here. I put it here. I'm just curious now. I won't stop till I figure it out. Can't break the system. Just gotta play with it and get familiar with it. Theta is what option. So it came out. Okay. So theta is what option traders, option sellers, live by. It's theta is time decay. So in regards to time decay, I have 20 uh, time decay working for me, and 78 deltas long. Now, if I wanted to flatten this out, I could just sell a Nasdaq. Let's say I can go here and just sell a Nasdaq, and I'll be flat for the most part. That's how that will work, and that's how you would beta weight the portfolio. And that when you beta weight and you're flat means you're neutral. You have no exposure to the market. Not not something you have to do all the time. It's good to know how to do it. It's good to know how to do it. So I hope that was a good lesson for you on the beta weight. All you do is click over here, hit it, and you can beta weight to whatever you want. You can beta weight to gold. You can beta weight to Qs, but the standard is SPY, the S&P 500. So hope you like the video. Looks like we have a soft open. We shall see what the week entails. Uh, Over and out. Have a good night. Enjoy the football game. I'm watching Green Bay and Dallas. They're tied 14-14. So check you out tomorrow. Bye bye.